If you want to break free from the 9-to-5 grind and ignite your path to massive success in 2023 and beyond, pay close attention in the next few minutes. As much as we all wanted 2023 to be great, it has not been great so far. We are waking up to people losing their jobs every single day, and people are losing their only source of income. But there is something that is growing consistently, even in this recession-like scenario. Do you know what it is? It is the creator economy, which currently has a market size of $250 billion and is expected to double by 2027. In this social media age, it is not right to depend just on a 9-to-5 job to pay your bills. There are so many avenues through which one can leverage their skill, grow their audience, and use it for their own business or help other businesses take advantage of it. I am talking about blogging, vlogging, podcasting, creating courses, being an influencer, and so much more. Creators have multiple income streams, including affiliate marketing, brand collaboration, ad revenue, selling own products or services, creating courses, selling digital products, selling merchandise, consulting, selling books, selling exclusive content, offering subscriptions, making public appearances, one-to-one mentorship, guidance, and so much more. Take a look at some of these creators. Doctor-turned-YouTuber Abdul made $4.6 million in 2022. Tori Dunlap, a money and career expert, made $4 million as a creator. Jay Clouse made $338,000 in 2022 with just 3,000 subscribers. Kat Norton, popularly known as Miss Excel, created a $2 million income-generating business by teaching Microsoft Excel tricks on TikTok and later selling a course around that. Being a part of the creator economy will ensure you have multiple streams of income. Let me also share some facts with you. Brands are about to spend $6 billion on influencer marketing in 2023. 45% of creators have multiple income streams. Freelance marketers make 6 figures every year. Content writers make an average of $42,000 every year. 60% of freelancers make more money than their previous job. The content creators didn't have one thing when they started, but you have it now? Any guesses? You have artificial intelligence by your side to automate your tasks. 94.5% of creators are already using AI for at least one task. With ChatGPT being the new rage, it makes it all the more easier to become a creator, an influencer, a freelancer, or anything that you want to be. But there is a catch. ChatGPT is a conversational AI, and you only get results depending on the input you give in. Do you want results like this from the AI, or do you want laser-targeted custom results like this? Thankfully for you, internet marketer and 7-figure product creator Karthik Ramani is solving a huge problem. Karthik is on a mission to help you create a steady flow of income by channelizing the power of AI. On behalf of Karthik Ramani, I would like to introduce you to Prompt Engine Pro that will 100x the power of ChatGPT. ChatGPT has grown faster with its user base and reached 1 million subscribers in 5 days and currently has over 100 million users. Clearly, the tech is awesome and people love it. But if you want to stand out from the crowd and notch up things a bit, you need to do things better. You have 2 options. Write prompts on your own. Get unsatisfactory results. Do trial and error. Waste your time. Get frustrated. Or you could just install an extension. Pick a category and prompt of your choice. Fill up the blanks. Get fabulous results. Make profits. Prompt Engine Pro solves all the gaps in ChatGPT and allows you to shine in any niche with done-for-you prompts and so much more. This is designed to make you profits. This is more than just a bunch of prompts, and you will see that in a bit. With Prompt Engine Pro by your side, never waste time writing prompts from scratch. Just choose a category, subcategory, and get ready to go prompts. Fill up the blanks to get your results specific to your product niche. Even refine your answers with refinement options. Save your answers in Workspace. Quickly even shoot a video using inbuilt teleprompter. All it takes is 4 easy steps to start getting results with Prompt Engine Pro. Step 1. Install the extension. Step 2. Choose your category and prompt. Step 3. Fill up the blanks. Step 4. Profit from the AI-generated content in multiple ways. Optionally, you can also create video content using inbuilt teleprompter. In seconds, you can create email sequences, landing page content, affiliate product reviews, Facebook ad copies, YouTube video script, Instagram reel ideas, SMS marketing, SEO optimization, customer testimonials, digital course outline, customer support response, business strategy, ebooks, blogs, and so much more. Check out the super cool demo on the page down below. At the outset, ChatGPT gives you content, and we found ways for you to use this content and profit. We have created 10,000s of tried and tested done-for-you prompts in multiple categories, including affiliate marketing, copywriting, online coaching, Facebook marketing, YouTube marketing, e-commerce, social media, SEO, customer support, online funnels, and so much more. There are so many ways for you to profit using Prompt Engine Pro. Become an affiliate marketer. Kickstart your own YouTube channel. Become a digital coach. Become a marketer. Pursue freelancing. Create content for social media. Become a blogger. Become an author. There is so much you can do with this app, and you can get everything done using done-for-you prompts. Take a look at the number of jobs you can fulfill using Prompt Engine Pro combined with the power of AI. See how much these people are charging for services that you can offer using Prompt Engine Pro. See these Fiverr listings, and people are charging $200 to $500 per service. You can choose what you want to offer, because this one app opens up a ton of opportunities for you. Now you may be thinking, how is this different from other extensions and prompt packs? This covers multiple income generating categories, works as an overlay on ChatGPT, don't have to copy and paste prompts, comes in customizable fill up the blanks format, easy to locate prompts with the search option and organized under categories, subcategories, and even trending topics. Entire ChatGPT conversational history can be stored in the backend and can be retrieved anytime. Organize work for multiple clients under different workspaces. Multiple refinement options to get better results from ChatGPT. Create client accounts with included agency right. Lets you record videos with AI-generated content using inbuilt teleprompter. Focuses on making you more profits and covers all income-generating categories and helps you with your actual work. No monthly fees. One-time payment only. Take a look at the different categories we have inside Prompt Engine Pro. Prompt Engine Pro is perfect for digital marketers, coaches, writers, social media managers, freelancers, content creators, copywriters, advertising professionals, storytellers, business owners, business executives, educators, course creators, funnel builders, email marketers, e-commerce professionals, agencies, script writers, researchers, and so on. With the built-in categories and prompts, it is going to be an absolute no-brainer for anyone to use ChatGPT and start profiting. The app was built keeping in mind newbies, and even if you don't fall under any of the above niches, you can still get started on your online journey with Prompt Engine Pro. Let's quickly go through all the features inside the app. 10,000 plus done-for-you prompts. Prompts in 20 plus income-generating categories. Subcategories to get laser-targeted content. Fill in the blanks format for prompts. Refinement options. Choose prompts in 5 popular languages. Quickly create notes from chat results. Workspace to store your conversations. Save history. Easy access to trending categories, popular niches. Record videos using inbuilt teleprompter. Text editor to customize your content given by AI. Prompts, localization. Commercial rights. Agency rights. Chrome extension. Not just that, you also get complete knowledge base, video tutorials, easy to use dashboard, intuitive UI, 100% newbie friendly, fabulous support. You can create videos like this using the AI-generated content and the inbuilt teleprompter. AI has become inevitable in our life. Embrace the power of AI and carve your path to success without worries of losing your job or getting replaced by AI. Prompt Engine Pro is precisely what you need right now. Saves time, saves effort, perfect for brainstorming ideas, removes writer's block, gets you faster results in your online journey, gives you an opportunity to start fresh, no skill or experience needed, opens up multiple income opportunities, helps you grab a share from the creator economy, enables you run an agency business, helps you offer any kind of digital marketing service, gets you 100x better results using ChatGPT. Only if you take action now, you will get commercial rights to offer services to other businesses and agency rights to set up client accounts. Imagine having a colleague or a friend or an employee or an agency to do all these. Quickly give you ideas to post content for your social media. Frame a course outline for you. Quickly do some research for you. Put together some strategies. Write all of your pages, ads, funnels, etc. Create product reviews for you. Give you thumbnail ideas for your YouTube video. Quickly give you response to share on customer support desk. Write a cold email sequence. Educate you on certain topics. Create a video script for you. Help you optimize the SEO on your website. Help you with your e-com product description. Create business plan, and do so much more. Easily, all these tasks would individually cost you anywhere between $100 to $1,000 or even more in some cases. It is time to embrace AI and get ahead of the curve. Make Prompt Engine Pro yours today for a ridiculously low, one-time only price. You're also backed by our 30 days, no questions asked money back guarantee. You have nothing to lose. We'll see you on the inside.